Namaskar. Today I am going to share a very interesting incident which happened with me a few days back. So a student of mine came to the music class accompanied by her 6-year-old son. और जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि बच्चे बहुत प्यारे और मासूम होते हैं. And the student of mine doesn't have this real acoustic tanpura at home. So when she practices at home, she does that with the Tanpura app. So this boy had never seen a real acoustic Tanpura like this. And when I started tuning the Tanpura, very innocently he asked me कि दीदी इसका स्विच कहाँ है जिसको ऑन करके इससे आवाज़ आएगी. Where's the switch of this musical instrument so that we can switch it on to get the sound and we can switch it off when we finish. तो ये सवाल सुन के मैं एकदम हैरान रह गई. So of course it was a very innocent question full of curiosity from a young child. But this got me thinking that this is not just about this child. This is about us as a society. Technology has made so many things easy for us, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे काम हम इतनी आसानी से कर देते हैं. But somewhere I felt that we are missing out on the joy of some things which are best done manually. So this is what I started thinking. ऐसे जो साज हैं और इनकी जो आवाज़ है या जो खूबसूरती है उनका आनंद लेने से हम वंचित रह रहे हैं. I have myself done so many concerts with first the electronic Tanpura and then the Tanpura app because of distance related issues, because of logistics problems when it is difficult to carry the real instrument. But while we admit and acknowledge the benefits of technology, we shouldn't forget our traditional roots. Every traditional instrument in Hindustani classical music is handcrafted. Each piece is unique. It requires a great skill passed on from one generation to another. So much time and effort on the part of the artisans who make these instruments. Equal amount of skill, riyaz on the part of the musicians or the artists who play these instruments. And I think that the sound, the touch, the feel of these instruments is incomparable. और अगर तानपुरे की बात हम करें तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आप तानपुरा बजाते हैं और उसके साथ गाते हैं तो आपके स्वर और ज़्यादा पक्के होते हैं. या फिर आप जब तानपुरा ट्यून करते हैं तो आपका जो ज्ञान है स्वरों का वो और ज़्यादा विकसित होता है. सो वाइल वी आर मूविंग अहेड विथ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, नए ज़माने के साथ हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. एट द सेम टाइम वी शुडंट फॉरगेट दीज ट्रेडिशनल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स and the beauty which comes along with them. These instruments have an equal amount of science, physics, used very efficiently in getting the sound out of these instruments. So I feel this is our duty as practitioners, performers and teachers of Hindustani classical music that we pass on this joy of playing these instruments which have so much science in terms of making these instruments and getting the sound out of them, so much art, so much skill, and we cannot allow this tradition to die and we have to pass it on to our students. ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम ये जो हमारे पारंपरिक वाद्य हैं, साज हैं, इस परंपरा को जीवित रखें. Do let me know what you think about this. और अगर आप मेरे विचारों से सहमत हैं तो इस वीडियो को शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.